At New England Garage Experts, we do a 21-point safety inspection. So we'll go top to bottom on the door, inspecting cables, torsion springs, bearings, hinges, rollers. We'll also lubricate that. So we'll take the lubricant, go across the top of every roller, all the hinge points, and we'll also do the bearings, the spring assembly. We'll make sure that the door is running safe. If you hear any noises, anything loud, screeching noises or grinding noises, you know that something's wrong. So it's time to call a certified technician. Again, New England Garage Experts, we do that all for you.